Hi there, welcome. Today's recipe is Penne Carbonara the British way. Okay, first thing what we're gonna do is, I've got a pot full of hot water. We turn it on. We add some oil. And some salt. And we cover it up. We cover the pot is to come quickly to the boil to save energy and time as well. Now I've got a frying pan. We turn it on. On a medium to high heat. Then we're gonna start by cut and cook the bacon. The bacon, it's up to you how you cut it, either strips or diced, as long as it's not too big is okay. So I've decided to cut it strips. Nice. We check the pot. It should be boiling soon. In about 20 seconds will be boiling. We add the pasta. And we cook the pasta. Now we're going to cook the bacon. As you can see, I'm not adding any oil into the frying pan because the bacon is already fat, has already fat in itself. We can turn the heat up now. And we can cook the bacon. Now, the water is boiling already. We add the pasta. Again, we cover it up so the water comes back to the boil. And then we continue by peeling and finally chop the onion and the garlic. I always tell you that if you've got time, always prepare the peeling and the cutting before the recipe. But if you don't have time, follow us and you've got this beautiful, lovely penne carbonara done. So there I've got the onion. Then I'm going to peel the garlic. I'm using 3 cloves of garlic. We keep an eye on the pot. Of the pasta. So when it's boiling, we take the lid, give it a stir, and we let it cook. This pasta, what I'm using is penne, needs 10 to 11 minutes al dente. So that's the garlic. Now we're gonna finely chop the garlic. We mix the bacon, you see, nice color. And this one is boiling. We mix, give it a stir. Like that. And we can finely slice the onion and the garlic. we're gonna add everything into this bowl. So then when we've got the bacon ready, we can add everything. That's it. Now we're gonna add everything into this bowl and we start quarter the mushrooms. You see the bacon is cooking nicely, getting that nice color. Now the mushrooms, quarter or sliced, it's up to you how you're gonna cut the mushroom. I've decided to quarter the mushrooms. When it comes to portion the pasta, we always tend to use 120 to 150 grams per portion. It depends who's eating in the family, but roughly that's how we're gonna calculate the pasta. Now that is ready, we can add the mix in there and we mix it up. And we cook that for around 3 to 4 minutes. We leave it there 3 to 4 minutes. Now, and then we're going to add the white wine and cream and chopped parsley. For ingredients and step-by-step method with pictures, please do log in on our website robbenjays.com or like us on our Facebook page. We also have Twitter, Instagram and Pinterest as well. And please do share our work so other families will benefit from this project. Thank you very much for that. So now we continue to cook this beautiful mix: mushrooms, onion, garlic, bacon. Then in around 2 minutes we're going to add the white wine and reduce by 3/4. By the time we're going to chop the parsley. We can stir the pasta, should be fine. Yes, beautiful. Beautiful. We can chop the parsley now. We take the end off. So by this time we are chopping, we can mix and look into the mix. Then the white wine, again, when it comes to reducing, if we've got this amount, we need to bring it until here. This is one of my favorite recipes. Nice, tasty, fulfilling. Okay, so The mixture is ready. You can add the wine now. Beautiful. Hear the noise? Like that? Beautiful. We can reduce, add the cream and the chopped parsley, and the sauce is ready. Then we wait for the pasta. It's cooked. If the pasta needs plenty of time, we can switch off the sauce. And we wait for the pasta until it's cooked. You can use different pasta, not only penne. You can use spaghetti or linguine or farfalle. It's your choice when it comes to pasta. That's the parsley, chopped. We can clear down until the wine reduced at around 30 seconds to 1 minute. And we nearly get ready to get plate because the pasta soon will be done. Let me check. Oh, yes. 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 Okay, we wait until that is reducing. And we can clear down. You see, that is reduced by the consistency we are looking for, quarter, and we can add the cream now. We bring it to the boil. And then we can add the chopped parsley, seasoning, and that's the sauce ready to go. Okay, you see, beautiful. We can add the chopped parsley, we mix it up. Nice. Look at that. And we check the pasta. The pasta. OP. About 30 seconds to 1 minute. And the pasta is done. Al dente. If you like it more cooked, leave it in there for another 2 to 3 minutes. But always read the packet instruction for cooking the pasta. We can prepare a plate now and reduce that one to simmering because the pasta is done. If needs plenty of time, we can switch it off and then we mix it all together. Another thing, never touch pasta with water. If you want to use it the next day, lay it down on a tray, let it cool down on a tray, mix it about 10 to 15 minutes every time, but never touch it with pasta, with water, sorry, the pasta. Okay, so the pasta is ready now. We can switch it off, drain it. Return back on full. We mix it. Beautiful. Look at that. Now you can leave it there until it comes all together with the pasta and serve it when it's ready. Some good seasoning. Oh yes, look at that. No one beats a nice plate of pasta. Okay, and we can serve. Beautiful. Penne Carbonara the British way. For more videos, please click the right hand button to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more recipes, ideas. And thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bye now. Bye bye.